kale chopped up nicely. Hello everybody and welcome back to Homemade Period. Today we're gonna make some kale and we're gonna mix it with some nice diced pieces of lamb. And you can see my wonderful, what do you call them, plantains, ready for this weekend edition. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe on that link to get wonderful videos of wonderful food, of beautiful food, yummy food, nicely sauteed lamb with ginger, garlic, onions and bell peppers, salt, soy sauce and black pepper. So all that kale that we just chopped up is gonna go in here, and it's gonna be eaten either with rice or cornmeal. Ooh-wee! Don't forget to click on that subscription, at Homemade Period on Facebook, at Homemade Period on Instagram, at Homemade Period on TikTok as well. We are also on Patreon. Don't forget to get it in on Patreon to get an inside look at what goes behind the scenes. We always have your veggies, everybody, okay? Saute the lamb for as long as you want to make it tender. Some people would like to add water. I like to put my fire on medium so it can cook slowly with the oil. Then it can look caramelized like that. Oh, this is a 5-star lamb pieces, lamb cubes. That's how it is, yo. Salute. All right, from the look of things, I'm gonna add a little bit of water so it can tenderize a little bit more. But so far it still looks good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of water. And I put my always secret ingredient is Dijon mustard. Yo, the mustard plays a whole new ballgame in this thing. You want your stew or your saute or whatever you're cooking to go to the next level, please put in some Dijon mustard. You will not regret it. I promise you, you will not regret it. Look at that. Ooh, let me get you guys close up. So right now we just want it to tenderize a little bit more before we can put in our kale. So we're gonna let that boil for a little bit. Then we'll be right back. There we go. Got our kale in there. There we go. Mix this kale with these boys in here. Oh yes. This is also a nice way to flavor your kale. Mix it with your nicely chopped veggies. Put it all in there. From the scab. Ooh, it smells really good. Try this. You could try it with chicken, with cow meat. You call it beef, with lamb, with mutton, mushrooms. Oh, mushrooms would go very good. Then put zucchini in there as well. Ooh. That's it. I might try that with mushrooms in my next episode. Home cooking. I know my hands don't burn. I'm just holding the pot with my hands. Oh yeah. They will know I'm African. Hold the pot with your hand. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen. You don't want to cook it too much too, so. Whew. See that? That right there is beauty, eh? Boom, alright. Subscribe, hit that notification button so that you can get to see videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Welcome to Homemade Period. And that's an easy lamb cube and kale dish. Eat it with whatever you want. And I'll check